beautiful and blinding morning, the world outside begins to breathe. See clouds arriving without warning. I need you here to shelter me, and I know carry on without each other. So keep me awake to memorize you. Give me more time to feel this way. We can't stay like this forever, but I can have you next to me today. If I could make these moments endless, if I could stop the winds of change, if we just keep our eyes wide